In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add transitions in BandLab. If your mixes feel a little abrupt between sections, adding fades is the quickest way to create smooth musical transitions. Think of a fade in as gently bringing a sound into the scene, and a fade out as letting it exit without clicks or harsh cuts. Let's walk through it together. First, open BandLab in your browser. Once you're on the site, head to your library. That's where all your projects live, and it keeps things organized so you can jump right back into your work without hunting around. Find the project you wanted to edit and open it. If you have multiple drafts, choose the version you're actively working on so your changes stay consistent. Next, enter Studio. This is the main workspace where you'll see your tracks laid out on the timeline. Take a moment to orient yourself. Each horizontal lane is a track, and each block on a track is a region of audio or MIDI. We'll focus on audio regions since that's where transitions matter most. Click the voice track or any audio track where you want to fade. BandLab makes this simple with built-in fade handles, so you don't need extra plugins or complicated menus. This approach is non-destructive, meaning you can adjust or remove fades at any time without harming the original recording. Now open the editor. You'll see more detailed controls and a clearer view of the region's edges. To create a transition, move to the very start or end of the region. Look for the small nodes at the upper corners. Click and drag inward from the top left corner to create a fade in, and from the top right corner to create a fade out. The farther you drag, the longer and smoother the fade will be. Press play to preview and adjust until the timing feels natural with the surrounding music. A few tips as you fine-tune. Zoom in to place your fades precisely, especially on cuts where there might be a pop or click. A short fade in of a few milliseconds can clean up abrupt edits, while longer fades are great for intros and outros. If you're moving between two clips, a short fade out on the first and a matching fade in on the second can simulate a seamless crossfade. Use the spacebar to quickly start and stop playback, and undo any change instantly if you go too far. When it sounds smooth and musical, you're done. Fades are small adjustments that make a big difference in how professional your track feels.